coming back to the exercise, which is the hottest layer of the earth? Crust, mantle, core, or none of these? Which is the hottest metal, children? Hottest metal is the core, center of the earth. Yes, এই কোরটা হচ্ছে hottest metal. Did you understand? This will be the hottest metal. Where is the pencil? Yes, core is the hottest metal. Which is the following describe the shape of the earth? Round but flat at the bottom. Shudu bottom e flat? No. Round but flat and top? No. Perfectly round? Puro round? No. Round but flat on top and bottom. Round and flat শুধু এখানে? No, এখানে भी तो আছে. So that is wrong. পুরো round নেই. Round উপরে আর নিচে flat? No. এই আনসারটা রাইট. রাউন্ড বাট ফ্ল্যাট অন টপ অ্যান্ড বটম. রাউন্ড আছে, ফ্ল্যাট অন টপ, flat at the bottom. Did you understand? So this is the right answer. This one D. ठीक है. Now what does the earth spin around on? স্পিনিং কীরকম করে? এই যে পেন্সিল উপরে দেখালাম ঢুকিয়ে, দ্যাট ইজ হোয়াট? অরবিট, অ্যাক্সিস, mantle or core? It is axis. The imaginary line on which the earth is spinning rotation is called axis. What is the spinning of the earth called? Rotation. এই যে স্পিনিংটা করছে এক জায়গা দাঁড়িয়ে, that is spinning like this, that is called rotation. ঠিক है. The earth revolves around the sun once in a year. এক বছরে একবার, এক বছর লাগে ওটা ঘুরতে. তো it will become once a year. Twice a year না, once in 2 days না, once a day না. It is once a year. Okay. The outer cool part of the earth, বাইরে যে পোর্শনটা আছে, that is called crust. You have to jumble words are there, you have to. The middle layer is called the মাঝখানে যে লেয়ারটা is called mantle. People who have gone to the outer space is called astronauts. The imaginary path of the earth around the sun orbit. The movement of the earth around the sun revolution. Movement of the earth মানে earth চারদিকে যে ঘুরবে বলে, that is called the revolution. Okay. And the middle portion is called the core. Now mark true or false. When the earth was formed, its crust was cool. When যখন প্রথম earthটা ফর্ম হলো, ওটা ঠান্ডা ছিল না. ঠান্ডা था वो नहीं. जब पहले बार earth पृथ्वी फॉर्म हुआ वो गर्म था. false. The core on the mantle of the earth is very hot. Core or mantle is very hot. Yes, it is true. Crust is cool now, but core and mantle doto gorom. The spinning of the earth causes day and night. True. It is day all over the world in the same time. False. একই বার সবাই all of finding day, সবার day হচ্ছে পুরো পৃথিবী না, এটা false. Half of the earth is getting the day and half of the earth is getting the night. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes seasons. True. Revolution যেটা ঘুরে 365 days, that is true. Okay. Now I'll come back to the question and answers. What was the earth like when it was formed? When the earth was formed, it was a big ball of dust and gases. What is the shape of the earth? The earth appears to be round. It is slightly flattened at the top and bottom. Okay. The earth appears to be round, but it is किंतु but सब सीखे हो ना. But it is slightly flattened at the top and bottom. Round है लेकिन ऊपर और नीचे flat है. Why does the earth look like a blue ball from the space? ये देखो, the earth looks like a blue ball from the space. पूरा यहाँ तक लिख के, because of the blue color of the ocean and sea. बस यही तुम्हारा आंसर पढ़ना है, बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्लू कलर ऑफ द ओशंस एंड सीज. ये भी द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ ये लिटिल बड़ा है, पढ़ना पड़ेगा. एंड व्हेन द अर्थ वाज फॉर्म्ड, व्हेन यहाँ पे देखो, व्हेन द अर्थ वाज फॉर्म्ड, ओके, It was like a big ball of dust and gases. This you have to learn. Okay. What is revolution? Rotation. What does the spinning of the earth cause? The spinning of the earth around the axis is rotation. Uh, it causes day and night. Around its axis is called rotation. What is revolution? How much time it takes to complete one revolution? The movement of the earth on its own orbit around the sun is called revolution. It takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Okay. Draw the earth revolution. This one draw. And one more I'm giving drawing, children. I'm giving you this drawing. Okay, spinning of the earth around the sun. This is beautiful drawing, Corona. Bas. Thank you.